So how about an update? Here's my frame rails and my rear valance, inner rear valance, and that is the fuel tank support. And I've just taken a bunch of measurements back here, and I'm ready to drop the frame rail assembly out of it. Then I can get in and get my sail panel, my quarters off easier. So I got the rear outer wheel wells in, and I did not drill the million spot welds out through here. I cut them off flush, and I figured I could live with, you know, the width of the sheet metal. That's not going to throw anything off. That way I can move my wheelhouse around a little bit. Thank you, Chris Birdsong, for your direction on from some of your videos. The doors seem to be lined up decent. We got to do a little trimming up here on the inner on this door pillar to make all that fit, make all that right. Front clips on, looks good. I got my supports up front, so the car is well supported. Got the door open today because it's 10 degrees. 10 degrees. Yeah, I don't work out here unless it's at least 10 degrees. So now we've got some good temps right around freezing for the next week. So I should be out here getting a little done every day. Here's the driver's side wheelhouse. Is screwed in place, and my driver's door is lined up nice, and the fender's lined up nice. So yeah, we'll have to do a lot of cleanup yet, a lot of rust to kill. Quarters have to come off, sail panel, but I plan on taking this rear frame assembly and doing just that with it. We're going to put this together and build it square and get the cross member in, the rear shock cross member in, and then I'll just take the assembly once the quarters are hung and everything's in the right place and the rear tail panels on and stuff, and more or less just take this whole rear frame assembly, slide it under the car, jack it up into place, put it where I need it, and then screw everything together, make sure everything's right, and then I can pull it all apart again, because I got to tub this thing, kind of. We got to get the hump out of these stupid wheel wells. So yeah, I'm going to cut that and bring it out so I can fit my 295/50s back here without having them rub. And then fit everything again, then pull the quarters off again, and then weld these suckers up. And get on with the chassis. Who knows? This thing might roll out of here yet by March. I don't know. It's pretty crummy out. It's a lot of work. Yeah, weather changes so much in Minnesota here. Okay, well, that's an update for you. I know there's a lot of stuff I missed and forgot and whatever, but stuff and everything, man. Thanks for watching.